I had so much back problems from it. I've had to go to so many chiropractors and nothing would ever help. So eventually I was like, I have to do something about it. Like, I'm not going to go the rest of my life dealing with these issues. Hi, my name's Gianna. I'm a patient of Dr. Nasser and I recently had a breast reduction surgery. I'm only 19 years old and I've had big boobs for as long as I can remember, and I had so much back problems from it. I've had to go to so many chiropractors and nothing would ever help. So eventually I was like, I have to do something about it. Like, I'm not going to go the rest of my life dealing with these issues. So I started doing some research and I found Dr. Nasser online. And then I set up an appointment with him, one-time consultation, and I was very comfortable with the whole thing. And that kind of like meeting with the doctor was kind of my final choice. I was like, okay, I'm definitely going to do this because he was very helpful. He gave me so much information and everyone in his office was so kind to me. Like, they made me feel so comfortable. I have never had surgery before, so I was really, really scared the night before. But as soon as I walked in the morning of surgery, everyone greeted me with a smile and they were like, "Are you excited?" And I was like, "Oh my God, like, I guess I am now." So then I started getting less nervous, and then the whole process of them putting like the IV in and giving me all the meds right before the surgery, I was so relaxed and I didn't have a problem at all. Like, I was not scared. Everyone would just come in and be like, "This is gonna be the best thing for you," and they made me feel so calm and comfortable. And when I went in, it was just easy. It was just like, I fell asleep and I woke up and that was it. So recovery was definitely interesting. It really was not as bad as I thought it would be at all. I was barely in any pain. The only problem that obviously I had was, so some doctors, some surgeons, they use tubes when they do breast reduction surgeries. So they have the drains in, which helps with swelling, and Dr. Nasser is one of them. So obviously it's very uncomfortable to have the drains in, but it overall helps your recovery experience shorten by a lot. So I got them out within 3 days. So 3 days after my surgery, I already took them out because my healing was great. You can't lift anything heavier than like 3 pounds for the first 2 weeks, which was definitely a struggle. You can't use your hands to lift yourself up, like sitting up or laying down was definitely the hardest part. Sleeping elevated too, you have to sleep. I slept on a recliner for a week. Genuinely, this surgery was the best decision I've ever made in my entire life. Like, it solved pretty much every single one of my problems. Like, I can't even express to you enough. Like, everyone should get the surgery. If they're thinking about it, everyone should get it. Because I walk around and I'm like, I feel like myself now. Like, I feel like I don't have to hide anything. I just feel so much more confident, so much more comfortable in my own body. And everything is just 10 times better. I could wear whatever I want. My back pain, I could feel the knots starting to go away. Like, it's a significant change and it's only been 6 weeks. So I just can't wait to like finally have the rest of my life like living like this.